నగరం టీవీ నేను భాగ్యశ్రీ నల్గొండ జిల్లా స్థానిక రైల్వే స్టేషన్లో విలేకరుల సమావేశం నిర్వహించారు.
నల్గొండ స్థానిక రైల్వే స్టేషన్లో ఏర్పాటు చేసిన విలేకరుల సమావేశంలో దక్షిణ మధ్య రైల్వే జనరల్ మేనేజర్ వినోద్ కుమార్ యాదవ్ పాల్గొని రైల్వే స్టేషన్లో ఏర్పాటు చేసిన డిజిటల్ వాటర్ ప్లాంట్ ప్రత్యేకంగా ఏర్పాటు చేసిన పురాతన కాకతీయుల ఎగ్జిబిషన్ ను ప్రారంభించారు. అనంతరం వారు మాట్లాడుతూ హైదరాబాద్ నుండి నల్గొండ వరకు దాదాపు 10 స్టేషన్లలో డిజిటల్ స్టేషన్లు చేయడం జరుగుతుందని, ఇప్పటికే ప్రయాణికులకు కావలసినటువంటి అన్ని విధాల సౌకర్యమైన ట్రైన్లు నల్గొండ మీదుగా గుంటూరు, తిరుపతి, ఇతర ప్రదేశాలకు వేయడం జరిగిందని, దీనిని ప్రజలందరూ వినియోగించుకోవాలని తెలిపారు.
Per hour capacity.
Good afternoon to all of you. First of all, the objective of this annual inspection is safety inspection. We started our inspection from Pagdipalli and we will go up to Guntur. So all the team members from headquarters and division, they are doing the safety inspection of this section, and I'm very happy to say that the track of this section has been upgraded to 110 km per hour, and we have also today done trial for 120 km per hour. So very soon we will see that the speed of train on this section is increased. Second objective of this inspection is to meet people's representative, passengers, representatives of media, and find out the requirement so that I understand. Nalgonda Machella line basically joint venture mein hai na. Section that is 92 kilometer. The approximate cost is around 480 crore. This survey was completed. It was submitted. There are some alignment issues because the alignment which was finalized, some of the buildings have come in that alignment, so the alignment needs to be changed. So basically the alignments are being changed there. So right now no decision on that Machella Nalgonda section.
So regarding safety aspect,
To you, as far as society is concerned, we will have to certainly look into all these society issues. But as I was mentioning, all manned level crossing gate, unmanned level crossing gate, we are taking care. And these 4 spots also we are keeping a special watch. Even the drivers and all these operating staff, they are being given instruction that they should keep a special watch. But as far as society is concerned, really it's a society issue, and everybody, means the villagers and the railway staff and everybody should try and counsel all our colleagues, all our relatives, that what are the issues, and we as a society will have to work on this. That why these type of incidents are happening. But as far as track safety is concerned, we have taken lot of steps, and our staff they are always very careful. They are being given instructions to have a watch, and just see that if there are any incidents or any issues, they are taken care of. But I fully agree with you. Society, you will agree with me that society is something, as a society, everybody,
Yeah, particularly the suicide zones.
We are taking special care.
Suicide zones they call.
Those spots we are taking care, and I think you may be aware the numbers are coming down. Numbers are coming down. Provide limited height subway, even by eliminating some of the manned level crossing gates, because elimination of level crossing gates gives facility to the publics, which is who are using the road, and it also enhances the safety. Another important project in Guntur division is Guntur-Guntukal doubling. That work is going on with full speed, and our target is that by 2021-22, that is March 22, the Guntur-Guntukal section will be doubled. Another important new line work is going on Nadikudi-Kalahasti. From Nadikudi side, work is almost ready. There is some very small patch. There are some court case regarding land issue. We are very hopeful that that issue will be sorted out. And in this financial year, by the end of March, we should be able to open this new line. And we have also got the land from Kalahasti side. So that work also we are going to start. In next 3 years, we are planning to complete this Nadikudi-Kalahasti new line. So these are some of the infrastructure projects. For last 2 years, with the joining of new Honorable Railway Minister Mr. Piyush Goyal ji, a lot of money has been allocated for the infrastructure projects. And with the result, we are trying to push infrastructure projects. The entire Guntur division will be electrified in next 1 year. देख रहे हैं कि ये जो पगड़ी पल्ली जो गुंटूर सेक्शन है, इसका इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन का काम चल रहा है, और पगड़ी पल्ली टू नालगोंडा ये सेक्शन, इसका इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन तैयार है और इसका CRS इंस्पेक्शन 21-22 दिसंबर को होगा, और ये पूरा सेक्शन 31 मार्च तक, बाय 31 मार्च 2019 द कंप्लीट सेक्शन फ्रॉम पगड़ी पल्ली टू गुंटूर will be electrified, and then it will be possible to run electric trains on this section. We'll be able to improve some speed, and then it will be possible for us to look for introduction of some new trains. As far as passenger amenities are concerned, all these important stations are being upgraded. Today we have inaugurated a RO water plant which is costing around 5 lakh rupees. Based on the response from the public, we will see that we will be providing such type of RO plant at other stations also. There has been some demand from local people for provision of bank ATM here in Nalgonda. Will be very soon providing that. Another very important item is that provision of footover bridges and provision of high level platforms. So in this section, all the important stations, wherever required, we will be providing footover bridges, and the platforms will be provided with high level platforms. South Central Railway is, and we are very happy to just inform you that South Central Railway has eliminated all the unmanned level crossing gates. As on today, South Central Railway doesn't have any unmanned level crossing gate. Last 1.5 years, we have eliminated 200.
రైతన్నకు బ్రహ్మాస్త్రం స్పైరన్ పంప్ మీ గృహ వ్యవసాయ పారిశ్రామిక నీటి అవసరాలకు స్పైరన్ పంప్స్ V3, V4, V6 సబ్మెర్సిబుల్ పంపులు మరియు ఓపెన్ వెల్ సబ్మెర్సిబుల్స్ లో లభ్యం.